What's going on, YouTube? So, here we are, Friday, the day before we're leaving for Moab. Got a bunch of our gear, drinks, energy drinks for me to keep me awake. All of our camping gear, sleeping bags, camping totes. Pup's gonna stay at home. But we are about to have a blizzard. So they are calling 2 to 4 feet of snow. And we are going to be leaving in the morning, and the snow is supposed to be coming in tonight. Hopefully Moab has good weather over there. Probably just a little bit of rain and snow mix Saturday night into Sunday. Shouldn't affect our ability to do the trails. It's just, what are we going to encounter as we drive from Colorado to Moab in the morning? So, just getting everything packed up here. Got tools, definitely got the Jeep, got some really important stuff. I mean, we do got these big, meaty, beefy tires. Man, you guys must be getting dizzy with me spinning around here, but right here, we got tire chains. So, in the event that it starts getting really bad out there, we can throw the chains on the Jeep and just keep trucking through. So, this first part here, I'm just going to document our trip out to Moab. It might be really interesting with all the snow that we're getting. But let's get some things packed up here. Got the roof rack thrown up there. I wanted to get the really nice Rhino rack, roof rack to go up there. It really looked cool, but they want like $400+ for it. Just bought this cheap one for $100. Serves purpose, mounts up there just fine. So it kind of goes to these things right here. People usually wonder what those guys are. These are Cargo Master hinge steps. So we have them, so whenever we need to get our gear from the roof, we can step on those steps. So those were discontinued like in 2019-ish or so, because Cargo Master was actually bought out by Metal Cloak. Metal Cloak no longer manufactures this hinge step. They make their own, which is kind of a flat hinge step. But the cool thing about this is the Hard Rock Rubicon rails. I think, you know, a bunch of the Recon ones, stuff like that, they came with this. This round piping matches that. And then I think people have these roof racks, Gobi racks or whatever you want to call them, that use that round tube as well to go over the top of their Jeep. These things are impossible to find right now. But if you guys are interested, let me know, because here we are. Let me know, because I got an extra set of 4. Got an extra set of 4 of them. Well, here we go, guys. Leaving the morning that this supposed blizzard was supposed to happen. Oh my God. Oh my God. So much snow. So I think the drive's going to be okay. We prepared for the worst, and well, I guess it's raining a little bit right now. But it's a 6-hour drive to Moab from here, and we just need to get over Eisenhower Tunnel, which is the Continental Divide, and on that side of the mountains it's not going to be bad at all. But really, I don't think we're going to have any major issues. Might be some nice shots with some big fat snowflakes when we get higher up in elevation, but you know, here we are. Good job predicting the weather, guys. Just picking up some breakfast at Chick-fil-A.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And ice and fire coming.
Yeah. So as you can see, we are like loaded to the gills here. I mean,
Fire you.
maybe we're so full that we're packed up with pillows and the kids can't see each other. Maybe it's because we're so full, or maybe Dad was just smart on that. I'm not.
That's it, no more talking, put the pillow down.
So it's actually starting to just rain a little bit right now, so we're gonna be on the leading edge of this storm, but you know, 6 hours away, so here we come. Let's see here, what's it say? This is winter storm warning, stay home during heavy snow. You can't tell us what to do sign. Carry on. All right, on the on-ramp to I-70 here, and still raining, really foggy, and I just checked the cameras for Eisenhower Tunnel, so they got a little dusting of snow on the grass, but the road's still just wet. So far this massive blizzard has turned out to be nothing. This blizzard was actually initially supposed to come out, what, Thursday?
Thursday night.
Yeah, it was supposed to start Thursday night, and they just keep pushing it back, and so here we are, Saturday. Yeah, yay for us. All right, starting to get really foggy here on I-70. Still no snow though. And Ruby's struggling, definitely loaded up, roof rack, all the gear. So going up to Eisenhower Tunnel. Poor Jeep. Well, YouTube, we found the snow. We're just outside Idaho Springs.
I just saw Clear Creek.
Clear Creek. We're just outside Clear Creek now. But Colorado's not wanting us to leave. Ruby's gonna get us through this though.
Come on, Ruby.
All right, first gas break and caffeine break. Idaho Springs. Ruby, you're doing good. Looks sexy in the snow too. All right, just west of Georgetown, coming up to Eisenhower Tunnel. Driving now, so I'm having my beautiful wife do the filming. You can see the plow trucks are now out. A little bit of accumulation, but a much easier drive than what I was expecting this blizzard to give us, right?
Yep.
So, all right, well, we're definitely going to make it past Eisenhower Tunnel before they shut it down, and things should be better on the west side of the Continental Divide. All right, so we made through Eisenhower Tunnel, which is where the Continental Divide is. The cool thing about the Continental Divide is it's snowing really hard and everything on that side. If you look on this side, it's just kind of hazy, you know. But that was the big hang-up of our trip here, whether or not we were going to make it over the Eisenhower Tunnel before they closed it. We left early enough this morning, and the storm kind of failed to deliver. Thankfully, failed to deliver, and we are on Easy Street now, on our way to Moab. So, what was it? Another 4 hours?
Yeah, 4 or 5.
4 or 5 more hours.
Kind of depends on, stopping.
So, we'll get there soon.
Yay, Moab!
Yay!
Tell YouTube all about it. What happened to the snow?
The snow made so much fog we couldn't really see. We also went through a giant tunnel that we always go through some trails, and then we drive a little more, and then it turned out a little sunny, and then it started stopping, and then while it was starting to stop, we were playing with my ice cream shop and Icy, in the first part.
Well, there you have it, guys. The trip so far in a nutshell.
Nutshell? What are you talking?
So here we are coming into Glenwood Canyon, getting kind of close to that, and as you can see, no snowflakes. I'm actually getting pretty warm. It's 43 degrees out. It's going to be a nice drive. So unless something interesting happens, I'll catch up with you guys in Utah. Rough Riders. Love kit. Well, looking at all these, this one appears to be used the most. Way to go, Grand Junction. Alright, we're coming to the end of Colorado. Coming into Utah.
Do you see it, Colton?
There's the sign. We're leaving Colorado.
Leaving colorful Colorado. Bye-bye, Colorado.
And then there's the next sign. Welcome to Utah. Never knew the state line was about a quarter-mile wide. Huh?
Yeah, what's in between here? If I crash right now.
There's Utah. 4,600 feet, I think that sign said. About an hour away from Moab, which is that way. We'll be there soon. Well, here we are. We made it to Moab. We can't check into the campsite for a few more hours, but we are in Arches National Park. Just killing some time, hiking around.
Bye.
But we did make it here. The funny thing is, we just checked the camera back home, and they are getting no snow.
Hi.
There's no snow back home. It's just a little bit of drizzle, and it's a little wet. And as you can see here, we're in Moab, where they typically get about 8 inches of precipitation a year, and it's snowing. And it feels like we're getting all the precipitation one day right now. All right, guys. So we got into camp pretty late last night because we did an unplanned trail. Yeah.
Unexpectedly long.
Yeah, unexpectedly long trail. So you can catch that video. I'll put it up after this one, but it is the morning after, and we're here at the cabin. And anyways, I'm gonna end this video and then start the next video. So thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. We'll catch you guys.